Hey guys, RTT back here for the video, guys. This is something. Now, this was from yesterday. Of course, Walmart went ahead and restocked, like all websites are restocking the PS5. They're restocking the Xbox Series X. It's just the fact that bots buy them up so quickly, it's impossible for any normal person to buy them. So the thing is, though, as you can see, Walmart has found a method to stop bots from snatching up the PlayStation 5. Yeah, okay, let's talk about this because this is actually something interesting. What we've seen is so many of these companies claim to try to stop bots from buying up PS5s and Xbox Series X's and 3090s and 3080s and so on and so on, but we haven't seen anybody actually do it. You know, these are multi-million dollar companies, billion-dollar companies, and they aren't stopping these bots, right? So this is according to Mr. Walmart, how they went ahead and did it. So let's read the article. As scalpers continue to buy up and resell the PS5 at inflated prices, maybe wondering if anything can be done to stop these automated bots from hoarding all the stock. According to Walmart.com, the retailer has successful in stopping bots from snatching new PS5 units before real customers can buy them. Pointing to a recent incident during a pre-Thanksgiving sale for the demanded console, one bot preventive action we implemented just hours before the PS5 event on November 25th blocked more than 20 million bot attempts within the first 30 minutes alone. Now, I'm not sure if that's 100% accurate with the numbers, or you're just saying that to kind of put that out there to get people excited and happy about it. But if that was an accurate number, bad. 20 million bot units. I mean, yeah. Guys, this is what bots do, bro. They go crazy buying up these units. Walmart chief information security officer wrote in the blog post, the bots were able to make the staggering number of attempts thanks to the software automation. Bot program monitor retail web pages for new product listings, then make repeat purchases on behalf of the scalpers within seconds. Depleting available stock before real consumers can actually get that. And that's actually 100% true. Pretty much one bot, guys, can buy up the whole entire stock of every single unit in that stock within less than 2.5 seconds. Just take that in consideration. If they put up 600 units, one bot can take that down within 2.5 seconds. That's faster than you can even click on the web page to go to the thing. If you have the tab already open, that's faster than you can even, once you hit add to cart, you already done. That thing's already gone. That's how fast the bots are. Bot scripts are constantly evolving and being rewritten, so we have built and deployed and constantly updating our own bot detection tools, allowing to successfully block the vast majority of bots, as he said. Now, the issue is, just like they said, that's an issue. Kind of like a lot of things when it comes to technology, that people are going to figure out a way to adapt, reconstruct, and do it again. And that's just the facts of the matter. So this is another thing where it's like with these companies where they haven't stopped bots, in a way you kind of can. They can shut down majority of bots, but there's going to be someone out there who's going to reprogram their bot or reprogram bots to be able to work around and backdoor their way into buying these units and scalping these units. So even though, yes, there are ways for companies to do this, the best way for a company to, technically speaking, do this is to send out what exactly what what's his name doing, EVGA did, where they had a queue system. The queue system is the only true way to stop bots, in all honesty. Because even if you're like, hey, we're gonna, stop people from A, B, C, D, E, F, G, there's always going to be a workaround, a bot that works around this whole philosophy. Because now that this is out like this, there's someone out there right now working on rearranging their bot to work around this to make sure that they can get this done. And that's just a fact. And it sucks, but that's just how it is. Anyway, though, As additional steps, we also audit and quickly cancel any order confirmation being purchased by bots that may slip through. As a result, the vast majority of our next-gen consoles have been purchased by legitimate customers, which is exactly what we want. They're going to say this because they have to. This is their way of doing this. By the way, that term, legitimate customers, that's a really loose term. What's a legitimate customer? A legitimate customer means someone who is buying this. Like, I bought the PlayStation 5. I'm using the PlayStation 5. How do you know that your customer is buying, even if they're not bots, are buying it so that they can play the PS5? They're not legitimate customers. They might be trying to scalp it too. There's people who don't have bots who scalp them one by one. I'm not saying that there's any way to stop that, and there's really honestly not. But to say the legitimate customer route, I really would just keep that not really 100%. They said the consoles remain hard to buy. Supplies for PS5 and Xbox Series X have been limited due to overwhelming demand, coupled with the pandemic. Then the need to stay at home. Walmart has witnessed procedural levels of internet traffic to the website and mobile app. That's true. Walmart's website actually crashed last time they posted about new stock on the website. They said, hey, we have the PS5. Website, down. What we are seeing in the end of the year is a person with 2 mobile phones, a laptop, a tablet, constantly refreshing the product page, said a Walmart spokesman. Potentially millions of people doing this all at the same time. Yeah, the scalpers suck. And scalpers are literally flooding like $1,000 for a PS5, and this is really ridiculous. The company goal is to weed out automatic bots from the traffic surge, but Walmart also likened the effort to never-ending cat and mouse game as a long-term solution. Grasso is calling a U.S. lawmakers to crack down on automatic bots. We also hope across the retail industry will join us with the lawmakers to prevent unwanted bots on retail websites. Honestly, yeah. So this is how I'm going to explain this, right? 100%. We got to get rid of bots. Bots are stupid, okay? First off, bots just ruin it for everybody. Bots make it so that everything's more expensive and one person can buy 2,500 units, and that's not right. I know there's always an argument when it comes to this that it's capitalism. It's capitalism. An item has no value technically. Let's say, for example, this iPhone, right? How much is this iPhone worth? $1,200? Okay. No. It's $1,200 because that's what Apple sells it for, right? Let's say this was the only iPhone left. There was no other iPhone that this iPhone was worth. This iPhone would not be worth $1,200. I spent $1,200 on the iPhone, but this iPhone is worth whatever someone is willing to pay for it at the time of it being available. So, for example, if this iPhone was the only iPhone left, I could sell this iPhone for $24,000 because if I want that and someone's willing to pay it, that's worth $24,000. The issue is, and that's all well and dandy, but what these bots do is they take the market and they inflate the market. And yes, to a certain degree, it is capitalism, but it's capitalism in the really, really wrong way of having an insane inflation because of one bot or millions of bots. And it's just, I don't know. We all hate bots. Like, let's all agree, okay? We all hate bots. We all think they're stupid. We all think they ruin everything. I get the point of, hey, if I can, if I can go wait in line and maybe, or be the first person to get an Xbox or a PlayStation 5, I can, sell it for $1,000 and double my price. In all honesty, I don't like scalpers, but you know what? Okay, there you go. You make $500. But to have an automated bot that buys up all the inventory, you're just, at this point, you're not even just like, oh, well, I'm just flipping it because people who want it early, you can get it early. They're getting to a point where they want to buy up inventory for the rest of this year and next year. to a point where December 2021, bots have bought up all the inventory, and Xbox and PlayStation are still $2,500. I mean, $1,000. And in all honesty, there's nothing in reality that Walmart, any of these retailers can do about it. The only way to stop it is two things: queue system, like I said, or number two, and it's not going to happen, you have to have manual people reading over these orders for these PS5s and confirming or denying them. Because if you have a system where it's like a website, like if you have an automated system, it goes through and says, oh, that's a bot, that's a bot, that's a bot. There's always going to be things that weed out certain bots. Because you could, I don't know how, I don't have bots, I don't do bots, I think bots are scummy, but there's probably a bot out there will have 2,500 different names for 2,500 different units. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and comment down below. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.